Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable Google Drive access, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am currently in Google Drive, and I have a folder that I've created with a tutorial that I've done previously. Now, to enable access, what you need to do is click on whatever you want. If I click on the background, it's just going to select the folder since I'm already in it, and then you want to click on Manage Access. As you can see, it is restricted, and only people with access can open with a link. You can just click on this and choose anyone with a link and then edit whether you want to be viewers, commenters, or editors. I'll select editors, and then after you're done with that, just click done. And that pretty much works for every single folder or file. I'll just turn this back to viewer, and I'm gonna put it back to restricted since I don't want people entering this file. And then you can also do the same with files. Just click on them, click manage access, and then just select viewer and restricted, or anyone with the link, and editor. If you want to add restricted access, you can add people or groups over here, and they should have access, or if they don't, they will be able to request it from you. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.